my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video of mine. Really sorry about this no makeup look, but today is going to be a skincare technique that I wanted to teach you, something that I have been incorporating for a very long time. If you followed me for a very long time, you would know that I really love using facial rollers on my face. Obviously, I have done a previous video where I have spoken about how to use a derma roller properly, correctly. Now, these are all tools that have always got mixed reactions. Okay, there are a sector of people who do not believe in Jade rollers or Gua Sha or derma rollers. These tools have really worked for me. Obviously, there's a lot of crystal face rollers out there. You've got the Jade, you've got the rose quartz, the amethyst. You name it and you're bound to get a facial rollers, that kind of like is compatible to your favorite crystal. It's very important for you to buy it from an authentic place that sells genuine, authentic facial rollers, whether it's rose quartz or amethyst or jade roller, that will show you the certification as well. And I trust this site called CHER, AMOUR, okay, and this is where I got my rose quartz facial roller from. It's beautiful. All right, this facial roller is nice. I mean, there should be a nice heaviness to it. It's got that rose gold finish to it. It has the small side to it, the small head, so that you can get around the under eye area and small nooks and corners. And then you've got the big head over here where it goes over the cheeks, over the forehead, as well as your neck, and wherever you want a little bit of that massage action on your face, your neck, or your body parts as well. Okay, basically it is just meant to stimulate blood circulation and to relax you, just like how you would be relaxed after a body massage. Okay, for people who do not like going to a parlor and having a facial massage like me, I have never done a facial massage ever. I rely on tools like this. There are a few benefits to this, like it decreases that puffiness. It kind of helps also if you have a stuffy sinus out here. It also helps to cool the skin. So many times what I like to do, I like to take a very soft mulmul, put that in the fridge for about 10 minutes till it really cools down. So when that cool action hits your skin, it really helps to depuff, especially around this area. Also because it's stimulating lymphatic drainage. So just remember that any action that stimulates lymphatic drainage, just remember that toxins are actually being flushed out. I can tell you one thing, that no matter how stressed I am, and if I give 5 minutes before my bedtime to a facial roller and a facial oil, it just enhances my mood. It kind of like calms me down. For me, I feel that the best combination for a facial roller is a facial oil. It just acts like a smooth operator. It goes really well on your skin and it just helps to distribute it beautifully on the skin. Okay, like I said, it's a highly debatable one. Not many people will agree to it, but in my opinion, it really works for me. How long do I use this jade roller for? For around 5 minutes. I don't go above 5 minutes. And I use a facial roller 3 times a week. And the oil, I love to pair this with, I love a thicker oil whenever I'm using the jade roller. And this is the Kumkumadi Thailam 24 karat by the Tribe Concept. I have spoken about the Tribe Concepts, Kumkumadi Thailam, in my best of Tribe Concepts and in the best of skincare. Whenever I talk about the skincare, this one has featured nice and strong. You guys know that I love the Tribe Concepts a lot. Okay, it's basically taking you back to your roots of a very simplified skincare that is free from preservatives, that is 100% organic, cruelty free, and no chemicals added. Okay, it's a very simplified, beautiful skincare brand, especially for matured skin. Oh my god, this is a beautiful anti-aging oil. But in my opinion, if you also have oily skin and you still want to incorporate Kumkumadi in your skincare ritual, then if you're scared to go about with it, I would suggest you to just apply this on your face about 2 hours prior to your bath, and then you can just wash it off. It will give you the same benefits. This oil is packed with such stunning ingredients, you guys. If you read about the ingredients and what it really does for your skin, you'll be really amazed. Like, it's got haridra, which is so good for that glowing skin. It's got dried rose petals, it's got saffron, it's got sandalwood, it's got karpura. It's also got sesame seed oil. So it suits each and every skin type. Unless you are allergic to sesame seed, then maybe this is not the one for you. This has that ability of just making your skin a lot more brighter. It really helps with the fine lines. I've also noticed it lightens that acne scars, acne spots, that pigmentation really well. But please remember, this facial oil and the facial roller always needs to be stored in a very cool, dark place. All I can tell you is the market is filled with Kumkumadi Thailam, so when you're buying one, make sure that it is of high quality. There are very few that I trust, and the Tribe Concepts one is definitely in that list. Alright, so now let's get started with my technique. Let me show you what I do with my facial roller as well as this oil. Alright, so I've just tied my hair right now. I have washed my face. And every time I use my facial roller, those are the days I like to steam my face at the same time. It's all about blood circulation, alright? And that's what steam does. It also opens the pores. It just, acts like a magnet. It makes your skin ready for your skincare products or whatever ritual that you want to do on your skin, okay? So my face feels nice and damp and really warm because of that steam. I'm going to go over with it with a facial mist, okay? This is a rose toner. And I'm just going to spritz that all over my face. This is such an important step right after steaming your face to add that extra hydration before a facial roller can hit your skin. The coolness of the facial roller. I'm going to take this beautiful facial oil and I'm going to take exactly 3 to 4 drops because like I said, it's nice and thick. Now gently pat that on your skin. So now I'm going to take the bigger, thicker section and I'm going to, in an upward position, start massaging my skin. And just remember, this is exactly for 5 minutes, and each area that you're massaging, I like to go on with it maybe 3, max 4 times, alright? From under my jawline all the way to my ear, right here in the midsection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, I'll go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where we get our laugh lines, isn't it? So from here, from the corner of the mouth, I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, where you get your line starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to look upwards and gently massage one area at a time. So this lymphatic drainage, when you massage lymph, what it does is it just speeds up the process of removing your toxins. Okay, it just drains out toxins. So basically it just makes your face a lot more brighter at the same time. And now we are going to go on with this corner of our eye, which a lot of us need that stimulation because this is where the fine lines happen. Now we are going to roll it over our eyelids. Again, close your eyes. From the inner corner out here, gently push it because this is where our darkness also happens, isn't it? So you need that circulation to happen here. So just gently give it a nice massage. Roll it over your eyelids. Out. And now using again the small area, you're going to go over your eyebrows. Take your fingertips, keep it right here and start with your forehead. Once you know the process or how to go about with it, which area of your face you want to target, this will be an exact 5 minutes ritual, maybe less in your night skincare routine. Right here in the center where we get our lines. Don't forget the bridge of your nose in an upward position. You're going to roll over your jawline to make it a lot more contoured for now. I also have to tell you that anyone that suffers from a headache, when they do this kind of a ritual, it kind of like releases the pain at the same time because there's a lot of circulation that's happening. Never ever forget your neck area, you guys, because this is the section that starts to show your age the most. Section by section, 3 times. Or 4 times max. In an upward position, start to massage. So a lot of us tend to not massage this area of our chest. Okay, this is the décolleté over your shoulder in an upward position. And now on this collarbone, right here on the socket over here, you're going to massage it and push it out backwards. Please clean this with a gentle baby cleanser. Basically, you're just disinfecting it, for that crystals to be re-energized, have that healing power, for the longevity of it, make sure that you just do not soak it in water. Just clean it, maintain it really well until your next use. So in the comment section, let me know your feedback, what you'd like to see next. Would you like a technique using the fingers as well as Gua Sha? Anything. You tell me and I shall do the video for you. Alright, looking forward to reading your feedback, and until later, bye for now.